In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, how to link your Revolut account using your IBAN, and how to choose the right transfer option for your needs. Start in the PayPal app. On the home screen, head to the Wallet tab at the bottom right. This is where PayPal stores your balances and any linked bank accounts. Tap your PayPal balance to open the transfer options. Choose Transfer, then select Transfer to Bank. If you've already linked your Revolut account before, you'll see it listed. If not, it's quick to add. To link it for the first time, tap the plus icon to add a new bank account. Select Link a bank account. PayPal will ask for your country and your IBAN. You'll get this IBAN from your Revolut app. Open Revolut, tap your profile icon or your initials, then go to Account. Next, open account details and choose the currency you want to receive. Make sure you pick the currency that matches how you plan to transfer from PayPal, since mismatched currencies can trigger conversion fees. Once you're in the right currency, copy the IBAN. Head back to PayPal, paste the IBAN in the bank details field, and confirm to finish linking. With Revolut now linked, return to your PayPal balance, tap Transfer, then transfer to bank again and pick your Revolut account from the list. PayPal will prompt you to choose a transfer type. Standard transfers usually take a couple of business days and are often free. Instant transfers arrive much faster, sometimes within minutes, but they may come with a fee and may only be available if your account is eligible. Take a moment to check any fees shown on screen and choose the option that suits you. Enter the amount you want to move, review the details carefully, and confirm the transfer. Make sure the name on your PayPal and Revolut accounts matches exactly to avoid delays. If you're moving money in a different currency, consider whether you want PayPal to convert it, or if you'd rather receive it in the original currency and convert inside Revolut. Also, be mindful of any transfer limits or holds that might apply to new accounts or recent payments. And that's it. Your money is on its way from PayPal to your Revolut account. Keep an eye on both apps for notifications, and if you chose a standard transfer, give it a bit of time to clear. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.